Exploring the charm of family recipes. A journey through culinary heritage. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a heartwarming and flavorful topic: family recipes. These aren't just any recipes. They're treasures passed down through generations, carrying memories and love. Whether you're a food enthusiast or simply curious about culture and language, this video will surely add some spice to your English learning journey. Family recipes are more than just instructions for cooking. They are a blend of culinary traditions, personal memories, and family history. These recipes often include dishes that have been passed down through generations, evolving with time while keeping their core essence. They're not just about the ingredients or the method, but also about the stories and emotions linked to them. When discussing family recipes, you'll encounter specific cooking terms. Words like simmer, marinate, and knead are common. Understanding these terms not only helps in following the recipe but also enhances your vocabulary. Remember, cooking is a universal language, and learning its terms bridges cultures and traditions. Every family recipe carries a piece of cultural heritage. It reflects the ethnic background, regional flavors, and historical influences of a family. When learning about these recipes, you're not just exploring food. You're delving into a family's cultural diary, filled with anecdotes, traditions, and sometimes, even secrets. The kitchen is a melting pot of expressions and idioms. Phrases like, "Too many cooks spoil the broth," or "A watched pot never boils," offer creative insights into language learning. They demonstrate how culinary concepts are used metaphorically to convey broader life lessons or observations. I hope this video has given you a taste of the rich world of family recipes and their significance in language and culture. Remember, every dish tells a story, and each recipe is a chapter in the vast cookbook of human experience. Keep exploring, keep learning, and let the flavors of language enrich your journey. Until next time, happy cooking and happy learning.